Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC. This is essential to avoid damage. Once done, ground yourself and open the case so you can reach drive bays. You should immediately identify a free SATA port on the motherboard and an available SATA power connector from the PSU. Make sure the SATA cable and power lead are accessible. Don't waste time rearranging parts. Then position the SSD near the bay so the next step, mounting and cabling, goes smoothly and logically. You now secure the SATA SSD into a 2.5 bay or use a 3.5 adapter if needed. Use 4 screws or the caddy's clips so it won't vibrate. Once mounted, connect the SATA data cable to the SSD, then route it neatly to the chosen motherboard SATA port to avoid tension. Next, attach the SATA power connector from the PSU, push until it seats firmly. Make sure cables aren't folded sharply. Clean routing prevents disconnects and improves airflow, which matters for longevity. You close the case, plug in power, and boot to BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SATA SSD appears. This verifies connections before OS work. Once detected, boot your OS installer or existing system and initialize the drive. Choose GPT for UEFI systems, then partition and format as required. If you plan to clone a drive, run the cloning tool now. If the SSD isn't detected, power off receipt cables. Try a different SATA port, enable OSI in BIOS, and confirm the PSU power connector is delivering power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.